Okay, real talk for a second. Have you ever looked at your bank account and just thought, is this it? What if the secret to building real wealth wasn't a second job or a crazy risky bet, but actually doing less? I'm talking about a seriously lazy way to potentially make millions in the stock market. That's the lazy investor's path to millions. Stick with me for a sec. I know investing sounds complicated. Charts, jargon, stress. Am I right? But what if I told you it's the simplest way to build a future that doesn't involve working forever? Today, I'm just going to break down how it actually works into a few stupid simple ideas. We'll talk about the magic of time, the one account that saves you a fortune in taxes, the single best investment for beginners, and how to automate it all. This stuff matters because your money should be working for you, not the other way around. Look, you don't need to be a genius. You just need to give the market time to play itself out. The market's average return is around 11% a year. Sounds okay, but here's the magic: compounding. It's like your earnings start having their own little earnings. If you put in $250 a month starting at 25, you could realistically see over $1.8 million by retirement. The key? Start now, not next year. This is a game changer. Open a specific account where the government doesn't take a cut of your profits. In the UK, it's an ISA. In the US, think Roth IRA. It's like a special force field around your money. Why give away 20-30% in taxes if you don't have to? This is step one before you buy a single stock. Forget picking stocks like a pro. Most pros don't even beat the market. Instead, buy the entire market. An S&P 500 index fund is basically a basket of the 500 biggest US companies. Apple, Google, Amazon, you own a tiny piece of all of them. If one fails, you're fine. It's simple, diversified, and historically crush-proof for the long haul. The best investing is boring. Set up automatic transfers. Seriously, treat it like a Netflix subscription. Apps let you auto-invest a few bucks daily into that index fund. You don't check the price, you don't stress. You just live your life while your money slowly grows. That's the lazy way. I know. Some of you want to pick the next Tesla. If you must, do your homework. Look at company finances, not hype. But honestly, start with the index fund. Get that running, then play with a little fun money if you want. So the biggest takeaway? Start. Start early with whatever you can. Use a tax-friendly account, automate buys into a broad index fund, and then go live your life. Let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. Here's your to-do list. Open a tax-advantaged account, like an ISA on Trading 212. It's what I use. Find that S&P 500 index fund. Set up a small automatic weekly investment, even setting aside $10. That's it. The first step is the only one that's hard. Do it today. Your future self will be so glad you did.